Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best electric stoves in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Frigidaire FGIH3047VF 30-inch Gallery Series Induction Range. The Frigidaire FGIH3047VF 30-inch Gallery Series Induction Range is the perfect cooking solution for any kitchen. The induction cooktop is designed to provide precise temperature control to help ensure your meals are cooked to perfection. The 5.4 cubic feet oven capacity allows you to cook larger meals with ease, and the self-cleaning feature with steam clean option helps keep your oven clean with minimal effort. The air fry function is perfect for those who want to enjoy healthier meals without the added fat and calories. The ADA-compliant design ensures that this range can be used by all, and the stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Pros: 30-inch Gallery Series Induction Range with 4 elements. 5.4 cubic feet oven capacity. Air fry feature. Self-clean with steam clean option. Star K ADA compliant. Stainless steel finish. Cons: expensive price point. Installation may be difficult for some users. Number 2. Our second best pick is Verona VEFSEE365SS 36-inch Electric Range. This Verona VEFSEE365SS Electric Range is an excellent and reliable choice for your kitchen. The sleek and stylish stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to any decor and is sure to be the focal point of your kitchen. The 4 cubic feet European convection oven offers superior baking and roasting results, while the black ceramic glass cooktop is easy to clean and includes 5 burners and a dual center element. The chrome knobs and handle provide a professional finish, and the heavy-duty cast iron grates are built to last. With its timeless design and superior performance, this electric range is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Pros: 36-inch electric range with European convection oven. Black ceramic glass cooktop with 5 burners. Dual center element. Chrome knobs and stainless steel handle. Cons: limited size of 4 cubic feet oven capacity. Does not include a self-cleaning function. Number 3. Our third best pick is Summit Appliance Slide-in Look Smooth Top Electric Range. This Summit Appliance 20-inch wide slide-in Look Smooth Top Electric Range in stainless steel with oven window is the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel finish and streamlined design make it a great fit for any kitchen decor. It features adjustable racks, a hot surface indicator, indicator lights, and upfront controls, making cooking and baking a breeze. The oven window makes checking on your dishes easy and convenient, while the adjustable racks allow you to customize your cooking experience. With its reliable performance and stylish design, this range will make a great addition to your kitchen. Pros: easy to clean smooth top surface. Stylish slide-in design. Digital controls for temperature and cooking time. Self-cleaning function. Cons: expensive compared to other electric ranges. May be difficult to install. No convection cooking option. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Verona VEFSEE365SS 36-inch Electric Double Oven Range. The Verona VEFSEE365SS 36-inch Electric Double Oven Range convection stainless steel is the perfect fit for any kitchen. Its elegant design offers a sleek look that will elevate any kitchen. Its double oven offers plenty of room for multiple dishes. The convection oven provides even heating throughout for consistent baking results. The stainless steel finish is easy to clean and adds a modern look to any kitchen. The 4 burners on top provide enough space for pots and pans, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at the same time. The digital clock and timer make it easy to keep track of cooking times. The Verona VEFSEE365SS is the perfect appliance for any chef looking for a stylish and powerful range. Pros: electric double oven range with convection. Stainless steel finish provides a sleek and modern look. 5 burners with 18,000 BTU power burners. LED control knobs for a modern and intuitive cooking experience. Self-cleaning feature for easy maintenance. Full-width warming drawer for additional cooking space. Cons: expensive price tag. Not energy efficient. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Verona Designer Series VEFSEE365SS 36-inch Electric Range Oven. The Verona Designer Series VEFSEE365SS Electric Range Oven is the perfect addition to any kitchen. This high-performance electric oven features a 5.0 cubic feet capacity, 5 burners, a dual center element and a black ceramic cooktop. The convection fan ensures even cooking and browning with every use. The stainless steel exterior is both stylish and easy to clean. Whether you're an experienced chef or a novice cook, the Verona Designer Series VEFSEE365SS Electric Range Oven is sure to be a great addition to your kitchen. With its durable construction and thoughtful design, this electric range oven will be a reliable and practical appliance you can rely on for years to come. Pros: 5.0 cubic feet electric range oven with 5 burners. Dual center element for even cooking. Black ceramic cooktop for easy cleaning and cooking. Convection stainless steel for fast and efficient cooking. Sleek, modern design. Cons: expensive price tag. Heavy-duty construction may be too bulky for some kitchens. Cooktop may scratch easily. Some may find the range too large for their kitchen. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.